Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about something which we use in our day-to-day life, that is a hair trimmer. I am going to talk about science behind this, how it works. I am going to rip it apart and show you all the components and explain you about how it works. So guys, now I have taken all the components out and kept some of the components intact because I don't want to destroy my trimmer. I still want to use it, so I have not removed everything here, but whatever I could remove I removed it. So the motor shaft I have removed here, which was connected here, and this is the back envelope, and I have the trimmer apart. So basically you can see this is the PLC, I think, the control, and you have the charging point here, two charging points, and you have two rechargeable batteries over here, and these rechargeable batteries are connected to the motor. You see this gray color part here, that's the motor. It's in a cylindrical shape and placed like a in an angle. So this motor is connected to an eccentric shaft. The shaft is not right at the center, it is little offset about the center. Because of this, it converts the rotary motion of the motor into a linear motion. So the trimmer, basically this trimmer moves like this, back and forth, and the motor is connected here. So because of the rotary motion, this goes like this, and we can see a couple of springs. It's a single spring which presses the top part of the scissor of the bottom part of the scissor. So the cutting motion happens like this. We have a smaller number of teeth at the bottom, and we have a bigger number of teeth. Basically this has 16 teeth and top one has 20 teeth here, and when it rotates at very high speed, about around 6000 rpm, this moves very fast, and the cutting happens on the both sides. So there is one more mechanism here, which is a very simple mechanism which converts the rotary motion of this thing into a linear motion here, and this particular wedge goes and pushes another mechanism here which decides the depth of cut of the blade. So we get the desired height of the cut. So when you rotate this, so basically if you rotate like this, this moves up. You see this portion, it moves up and moves that portion outside, and it is in a little angular shape here. So this is the point where it gets charged, and it connects somewhere here to these points. So this is basically a very simple machine. When you get a chance, please open a trimmer and see for yourself how it works and how the components are placed. Thank you very much.